Are you looking for the best desks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best desks.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Luffeya White Computer Desk. The Luffeya White Computer Desk is a modern and simple study table designed for small spaces. It is made of thick particle board with scratch-resistant, anti-collision, and waterproof features that protect the surface from daily wear and tear. The desk has a sturdy structure with extra fixed steel brackets and adjustable leg pads for greater stability. Non-slip and anti-scratch protectors under the legs protect your floor from scratches and reducing noise when moving. It is easy to assemble with a detailed instruction manual and tool provided, and quick assembly takes about 10 minutes. Moving on at number 4, we have the Homall Lshaped Gaming Desk Computer Corner Desk. The Homall Lshaped Gaming Desk is a great product for gamers or anyone looking for a sturdy writing workstation. It features a unique L-shaped design that can effectively use corner space, a carbon fiber material cover, a large gaming surface, a detachable monitor stand, and adjustable foot pads. Customers note that it is an inexpensive piece of furniture, but for the price, it gets the job done and is well made. At number 3, we have the ODK Computer Desk. The ODK Computer Desk is a multifunctional workstation that can also serve as a decoration to your room. It has a spacious 47 inches by 19.7 surface with plenty of legroom for rest. The desk comes with drawers and wood storage shelves for books, working documents, and office stuff. It has a sturdy and stable design with adjustable table foot pads to enhance stability without damaging the floor. It also has a monitor stand shelf that raises your screen for better visibility and reduces neck and backache. At number 2, we have the GreenForest Lshaped Desk. The GreenForest Lshaped Desk is a versatile and functional computer desk that can meet different customers' needs. With a reversible design, you can customize the shelves on your left or right depending on your personal habits. The desk also comes with a 2-tier storage shelf that keeps everything you need at work within arm's reach. It is made of environmental P2 particle wood, ensuring the desktop is waterproof and scratch-proof, and the legs are sturdy enough to hold office equipment, books, movies, video games, and collectibles. The ladder shelves can be placed on the left or the right, depending on how you arrange your space. The L-shaped design takes advantage of the corner of your home and follows the space-saving concept to make your home office more tidy and lively. And finally at number 1, we have the Kohls 47-inch Computer Desk. The Kohls 47-inch Computer Desk is a modern, simple-style desk perfect for any home office or study. It features a waterproof, heat-resistant, scratch-resistant, and dust-free engineered wood and metal top, and a heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame for stability and safety. Assembly is easy and fast, and the desk is perfect for small spaces. Customers are delighted with the size, design, and quality of the desk for the price.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.